Welcome to AmFairTube. Today, AmFairTube is going to discuss another important and relevant topic. Please move on to the presentation. Recently, all of us have got a very shocking news from Mumbai. The accident of a barge, ONGC barge. Yes, around 50 has reported dead and many were missing due to barge P305 which got accident in the cyclone Tauktae in Mumbai, which happened on 16th of May 2021. So today's AmFairTube session is not dwelling into the details of the accident. Rather, let's have an idea about what is a barge, what are different kinds of barges, how it is different from a ship or a boat, and how the capacity or the size varies. The barge P305 incident, these are a few visuals of the accident which happened and the rescue operations which happened over there. Let's define what is a barge. It's a flat bottom boat mainly used for transporting cargo, and barges are not something like an independent vessel or a boat, but are floating vessels generally towed or tugged along with other vessels. Construction purpose barges, they are flat shaped on its bottom, just like a raft. Main purpose for flat shape is to ensure that the cargo carrying capacity is enhanced and more bulk can be dragged and transferred. What are the usages and types? Usage: typically used in smaller water places like rivers, lakes or canals, and they are now widely used. They are widely used at seaports. Even before industrial revolutions itself, barges are predominantly used for transporting cargo items. Innovations of steam engine and frequent trains which demanded a speedy transportation has slowly started replacing barges. Let's understand a few varieties of barge. Barracks barge looks like a houseboat for residential purpose for military temporary residence. Dry bulk cargo barge designed to carry freight such as coal, finished steel or its ingredients, grain or sand or gravel, and similar bulky materials. There are liquid cargo barges which are used to transport the petrochemicals such as styrene, benzene and methanol, liquid fertilizer which includes anhydrous ammonia, refined products including gasoline, diesel fuel. There are other types of barges like car float barges, unpowered barge with a railway track mounted on its deck, which is used to move portable rail sets across water obstacles from one place to another. Split hopper barge, extensively used in marine construction purpose as it can unload the material soil, sand, dredged material, etc. Power barge, it's fast, effective to deliver electricity to remote areas. And royal barges are mainly used by royal families for their ceremonial purpose. And let's understand a few different sizes and capacity. Barge 180 feet transport up to 2000 metric ton of cargo, which has an overall length of 180 feet. the breadth is 50 and width of ramp door is around 5 meter and dead weight is 1500 tons. Barge 230 feet is corresponding to a length of 230 feet, which can carry 4000 metric ton of cargo. Similar way, there are barge 270 feet, which has a length of 270 feet, breadth of 72 feet and depth of 18 feet, which has a load bearing capacity of 710 per meter square. Barge 300 feet has a length of 300 feet, which can carry 8000 metric ton, which has a load bearing capacity of 25 tons per square meters. Now let's understand what the major differences between a barge and a ship or a boat. Barge is a long, voluminous, flat bottom boat that is used to transport goods on inland waterways. Ship, watercraft having significant size is referred to as ship or a vessel. Barges are used in inland waterways such as rivers and canals, but ships are used in both oceans and inland waterways. Barges transport bulky goods, transport both people and goods. Barges are towed by tugboat, but ships are self-propelled. Barges are not self-propelled. They are driven by the tugboat. For the same reason, maneuvering is easier for a ship, but maneuvering is relatively difficult. So this is all about a brief about the barge, and hope please do comment so that if you are further interested, we can certainly do more episodes in detail regarding barge, its design, dimensions and various aspects. We trust it was very useful for you. Please do write your comments, experience and queries. More than happy to discuss further, and it will be very useful for others as well. We'll meet up again in AmFed 2. Thank you.